Okay, question number 35, let's get right into it. So we have an online store receives customer satisfaction ratings between 0 and 100 inclusive. In the first 10 ratings the store received, the average arithmetic mean of the ratings was 75. What is the least value the store can receive for the 11th rating and still be able to have an average of at least 85 for the first 20 ratings? I guess this one might seem a little tricky because it's like, how do you know what the least value is for the 11th one? And one way to think about this is the lowest possible value you could get is if every single value after the 11th rating was 100, right? Because you need something to like kind of boost you up, right? So one way to think about this is, let's just go ahead and write it out. So if the arithmetic mean was 75 initially, that is, well, we can just do this, 750 divided by 10, and then add this to another 10 here because we're going to have 10 terms to get this to be 20, right? So it's going to be 750 plus our value, right, the lowest value, which is the 11th rating, and then plus 9 100s, right? We're assuming that the last 9 are going to be 100, and this has to equal 85. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and simplify this one out. So it's going to be 750 plus 900 plus x divided by 20 has to equal 85, and then we're going to get 1,650 divided by 20 has to equal, plus x. Hang on, let me go ahead and clean that up a bit. Okay, 1,650 plus x divided by 20, that has to equal 85. Then I will multiply both sides by 20. Let's bring it down here. So I get 1,650 plus x has to equal 85 times 20, and then we'll just use our calculator for this one. So 85 times 20 is going to be 1,700. So if I subtract 1,650 from both sides, I'm going to be left with x equals 50. So this is the lowest value that it could be if all the other ratings are perfect and we at least have an average of 85. All right, guys, so answer is 50. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.